Yo, what up, what up? It's your boy C's from theclife.com, and in today's video we're going to answer the question how to generate more leads for your personal training business. Now, this is a very funny question because years ago when I first started, I literally remember me typing the same exact question onto Google and I didn't find the answer. But what happens is I found the answer along my journey in the fitness industry. And now looking back, making this video, I get to answer my own question. It's crazy. But there's a lesson here, kids. You have to take action upon these ideas. This video is useless to you, is a time waste for you if you don't execute on these ideas. Okay? Now, first thing that I did was continue my education. I built a solid foundation for the way that I train and for my personal training business. Like, I educated myself on pain relief, on nutrition, on corrective exercise, you know, even boxing. I learned all these skill sets so that I can build my avatar and help my avatar however way I possibly can. Whatever injuries or whatever is inhibiting them from performing at a higher level, you know, I was able to help them with that. Because I saw models, I saw athletes, I saw your lawyers, your doctors, I saw a array of the population where I can just literally build an avatar, which I did, by the way. I built an avatar and I built a program for that avatar, you know, so that it will help them get started on their fitness journey and be successful at it, you know. And all of that continuing education, I used to do all the things that I've learned for free. So I would host a runner's reset workshop, right? So first thing I would say is host a workshop. This is a great way for you to generate leads. You don't have to sell them right there on the spot. What you do is, for instance, I did was create a runner's reset workshop. And the runner's reset is basically for runners who suffer from shin splints, injuries through tightness, you know, joint pain. And the runner's reset is a trigger point therapy session where I help loosen up all those knots and give them proper range of motions so that they can run longer and suffer less injury. So that was very popular among runners. Also, I used to host boxing workshops where I would go and train people who are interested in taking boxing, and that's a great way for me to collect their emails. Now, once I collected their emails, I would send them, you know, recipes. I would send them other workouts of the day. You know, I would keep in touch, follow up with them, even offer them one-on-one personal training for free, you know, so they could get a taste of what it's like to train with me, you know. And this is a great way, once you're doing those workshops, to get hands-on with them. They're meeting you, shaking your hand, so they have a physical relationship and also a digital relationship with you through your email list. And this is magic. Magic happens when you do it that way. People love free things, you know, and we're living in that day and age where, you know, people are more and more skeptical. So you're promising all these grandiose things like, hey, get 6 packs in 6 weeks. But, you know, they've been burned before. So what they want to do is meet you. So have your town hall. You know, your town hall is you offering a nutrition seminar, a movement seminar, a mindset seminar, you know, a yoga retreat, whatever it is. Offer that service for free so that they get hand-to-hand, face-to-face relationship with you. You build rapport that way, and you continue to follow up with their email list. I also hosted boot camps for charities. One of my clients just started a, well, at the time, started a nonprofit organization close to kids, where she donated, she ran the business through donations of coats, clothes, and etc., etc. So I'd have people, as a form of payment, bring coats and whatever things that they're getting whatever clothes that they're giving away for free to bring as a payment so that we can do the boot camp. Now, once they did the boot camp, I signed them up through their email list. Eventbrite is awesome, so I would use Eventbrite. That way, it's all the emails is stored once they click registry, right? Registration. Once they register with their email. So you have a list of all their emails in the Eventbrite account. So that's super simple. And you want to focus on building your first 100 email lists. So continue to do those workshops, continue to do those boot camps until you've collected 100 emails. Once you collect those 100 emails, continue to send them value. Offer them workouts of the day, nutrition tips of the day, mindset tips of the day. Continue to nurture them, because when you're nurturing them that way, they're getting used to sort of training with you, right? They're getting all of the boom. And then sometimes life gets in the way and they can't execute on it for themselves. So they're going to hire you now for implementation. Once they hire you for implementation, boom, you're magic. Now continue to do that. So I call this the sowing season. All right, continue to sow until you build your client business up. And just because it's personal training in person, you don't have to just make the income on the personal training itself. You can also make the income on your email list also, because you could do affiliate marketing for products that those people are in need of, right? You become an affiliate for things that they already want to buy. Once you keep sowing, it's automatic for you to reap. And trust me, this will explode your personal training business. I wish I was able to put all these dots together like when I first started, but this is years of trial and error, man. And this is a proven path to success, and you will explode your personal training business. And then you can get into other tactics once you build that email list up to 100 or 200, even 300. You can also deploy tactics like referral prizes or different sweepstakes where you can just go crazy. But the fundamental thing is build yourself some skills, offer those. So it's like learn, do, and teach. So learn the skills, do the skills, then teach the skills in the free workshop. Then nurture that. Once you do the workshop, nurture your list, because your list is going to explode. Give them free value, offer them free value, then ask for the sale. All right, hopefully that answered that question. The video went a little bit longer than I wanted to, but trust me, it's useless if you don't take action upon these ideas. This is something that took me years to figure out and also cost a lot of money to figure out. So if somebody was to come to me for a consultation from these things, I'll easily charge them $2,000 for the information that I gave you just now. It costs a lot. Now, only thing it costs you is to take action upon those ideas. That's it. Anyways, thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, holla back. Peace.